Alright, so we have the first two layers done, and we have our yellow cross. Next thing we want to do is to get all yellow on the top. Now you run into a couple situations here where you'll have either no yellow up top, two yellows, or one yellow. Right now I have two yellows. So what I want to do is I want to find a yellow that's not on the top. Here is a yellow right here. I want this one yellow to be closest to me and on the left face. And what you're going to do is you're going to take the right, go clockwise. You're going to turn the top clockwise, right counterclockwise, top clockwise, right clockwise, top twice, and then right counterclockwise. And that gives us our other scenario where there's no yellow corners. So again, I find a yellow dot. I'm going to put it in the left face closest to me. Do the same thing. Right clockwise, top clockwise, right counterclockwise, up clockwise, right clockwise, up twice, right counterclockwise. Now what I have looks like a little fishy. So what I want to do is I want the fishy's head to be closest to me, pointing to the left face, like this. Once I do that, I'm going to do the same thing again. Right, up, right counter, up, right, up twice, and right counterclockwise. And that gets me all yellow on the top. If you have the fishy and you do that and it's still just a fishy, do the same thing. Put the fish again, pointing towards you, again pointing towards the left face.